Hello and welcome. I literally have just got the new Facebook update. Now, I think it was released in August, don't quote me. It was released a little while ago and I've been wondering, how do I actually get access to it? Again, I thought maybe I was in Facebook jail. Anyways, finally this morning I've opened up Facebook and it's here. So I haven't even looked at it yet, and I wanted to record this video so that I can show you how to basically navigate, and we can do it together. So let's go over and have a look. So the main difference is that the font is a lot bigger and the layout seems to be a lot fresher. You can actually turn it into dark mode. So if you're not sure what dark mode is, that's just where everything white goes black to help your eyes. I personally find it more difficult to do that, but hey, it's user's choice. And also, everything seems to be so far easily to navigate, and you know what, we don't like change, so you might find it a little bit difficult. You may find it difficult to start with, but let's navigate together. So here is your home tab. Now this is your news feed. Now if you've been listening to me for a while, in 2016, 17, 18, one of those years, I mentioned how Mark Zuckerberg actually wanted to have separate news feeds and how stories was the predominant place for the news feed. That's where he wants us to go, and from stories we'll actually be interacting with private messaging. So you can see that this is starting to happen as the top part of your home feed is now your stories, which is really cool, I think. And then the rest of your feed is down here. If we go across the top here, that looks like pages. Yes, I really like the fact that we can navigate from our home page or a home profile to our page now, so that's very cool. Love that. Okay, and we can select our pages here. I won't have a look at these just yet, we'll come back to that. Watch has its own news feed. So again, in 2016, 17 or 18, whatever year it was, Mark Zuckerberg, and I shared with you that he wanted to have separate feeds as well because the main news feed in Facebook was getting so congested. And also he wants to actually have the watch, which is what you're seeing now, is competing for YouTube space. So it's really interesting to see straight away that we have all the videos here in watch, which is like a YouTube, but we can search for videos, which is really cool. So you as a business owner should be creating videos, because this is going to encourage people to actually search for content on Facebook, which means if you record content or go live, you can then be found, which is very cool. So let's just type in, I already had it there, iOS 14 Widgetsmith. Now if you don't know what that is, that's quite okay, but it's something that's new with the iOS feature on your phone. Okay, great. So it actually pulls up all the videos about the iOS. Really very cool. Okay, so I would definitely encourage you to start creating videos with keywords that people would search for, because this is going to be the next YouTube. Well, who knows? I don't know, the crystal ball's not working, but Mark Zuckerberg would love it to be the next YouTube. What I like down here that I've just noticed, we can search by the date that it was posted. We can search by live videos and pre-recorded, and from groups, and also tagged locations. That's very cool. Very cool. Okay, so that is a big tick for me. Marketplace has its own news feed as well. Very, very cool. And we can also search for Marketplace. So say you're looking for a washing machine, we can now search washing machine in the Marketplace for cans, and it brings them all up. How cool. That is very cool. I'm liking the desktop version. I'm not sure what it looks like on the mobile just yet, but so far so good. Then this little icon here is our groups. So we've got new groups. We can see the activity in the groups. We've got groups that you manage and groups that you're associated with. Also search groups. So I wonder if this actually searches for groups everywhere. Let's go iOS again, Widgetsmith. Don't worry if you don't know what this is. This just makes your phone look very cool. Okay, so it does. It brings in all groups. So if you're in business and you want to connect with people, mums groups, let's go. Mums of TikTok. If you're a TikToker, you need to join that group. It's very cool. So it brings in all the groups. Love it. Love it. Really liking the search facility or the functionality here as well. Okay, so the plus button, obviously this is where we create stuff. That's nice. Then we've got our messenger, our notifications, and our count. So we can, oh yeah, we've still got our settings and privacy there. Okay, brilliant, wonderful. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm really liking this new feed. We've got shortcuts down the side. What do we got here? This is okay. I'm liking this. So with the Facebook page, a little while ago it changed and we couldn't do an auto schedule post. Well, you could, but it was very hard to find. And that was because Facebook introduced this Creator Studio. It was hidden a little bit. Anyways, what I'm liking is it's actually here now on the left hand side, so we don't need to go to our pages anymore. Let's see if it's still there and see if Creator Studio is still in our, well, we should have a look what the pages look like. That was very smart, Leanne. Okay, so this is what our page looks like. You can switch back to the classic. There's Creator Studio there. In the old version, it was actually hidden up here in underneath Insights, and you know, if you didn't go looking for it, you couldn't find it. But what Creator Studio is where you can actually schedule your posts in both Instagram and Facebook from Facebook. But it's here. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Anyways, go and have a play. If you haven't, let me know if you like it. If you don't have it, let me know that you don't have it, and I'll do some more investigating and possibly do some more videos. Have a brilliant day. Bye for now. At the first start or the start of the first start. Anyways.